Hello friends, welcome to Ceylon Software and java8s.com. So in 18th March 2025, Java 24. This is the latest version of Java that have released by taking some new features for the development of varieties of applications. And particularly in this video, we will see how to download Java 24 software or JDK 24. So now JDK 24 is available and it is completely free. So we can download and we can install successfully. So we will see. So in Google, if I will type Java 24 download, so you see, so first link I will open, and you see there are so many versions it is displaying: Java 24, Java 23, Java 21, and earlier versions available now. So our requirement is Java 24. So because Java 24 is the latest release of the Java standard edition platform, so definitely I will choose JDK 24. And you see, so there are what three operating system it is displaying: Linux, Mac, and Windows. I will select Windows because my requirement is, so we will download JDK 24 software for Windows operating system, then we will install. So I selected Windows operating system, and you see, so x64 installer. So this link is the JDK 24 software for Windows operating system. Now I will click. So now the JDK 24 downloaded. So now within a few times, so it is downloaded. Then I will go to that option, and very simple. Now I will install. So double click button. Okay. So then click on next option. So very simple, installation is very simple. Okay, then close. So in this way, JDK 24 downloaded and we installed successfully. Now I will go to C drive. Then I will go to program files folder. After JDK 24 installation successfully, you see in program files folder there is a folder Java named as Java have created. So then I will enter into that folder, then JDK 24, then bin. Then you just simply you click here. You see this is the path. Okay, so where JDK 24 softwares, all the components, all the what files we will get in C drive. There is a folder, program files folder. Inside that folder there is a folder Java folder. Inside the Java folder there is a folder JDK 24. Inside that there is a bin folder. So JDK 24 software is available. So this path, what I will do, I will copy, because path set of we have to do. Then I will right click on my computer, then go to properties. Then what I will do, go to advanced system settings, go to environment variables, and you see, go to path, click on export, and you see, so these are the what some built-in path, system related paths. So one JDK 19 path already I have, so it will be better. Okay, just again I am doing path, click on. So one path I will remove. I saw one path is already available, that is JDK 19 paths. Okay, So now whatever I copied, simply I put a semicolon. Whatever I have copied, the current path I will paste here. Then click on OK, click on OK button, click on OK button. So in this way, we set the path. So then I will go to command prompt and I will check Java hyphen version. You see Java version 24. If I will click what I will enter Java C. So definitely, so many commands that we are able or to get or we are getting. So in this way, JDK 24 or Java 24 software we downloaded and we installed successfully. And I can write a program, a hello world program. So very simple. Let class test demo public static void main string args. So one output statement, suppose I will write system.out.println. Okay. So learn Java programming. One message, suppose one string value, I wrote learn Java programming. So now I will save this code. Okay. So class name dot Java. I will do all files that I have saved in A drive Java programs folder. Inside the Java programs folder, so I saved. Click on save option. I will go to command prompt. So now I will go to A drive. Sorry, I will go to A drive, go to Java programs folder, then Java C space class name test demo.java, then Java space class name test demo. And you see, we got the output learn Java programming. So guys, in this way, we saw how to download and how to install JDK 24 or Java 24 software in Windows operating system. After that, we verified so whether that JDK 24 have successfully installed or not. And we wrote a simple hello world program and we executed and we got the output. I hope everybody got clarity. Thank you.